Tired of watermarking images one by one? Meet Bulk Watermark, the ultimate plugin for Photoshop that automates your watermarking workflow. Process hundreds of images in minutes, not hours. Bulk Watermark gives you complete control with two powerful modes: text watermarks for copyright protection and logo watermarks for brand identity. Let's see how easy it is to use. Start by selecting your input folder. Just click Browse Folder and choose where your images are stored. The plugin instantly detects all supported image formats, including JPG, PNG, PSD, and TIFF files. Then select your output folder where watermarked images will be saved. Choose your watermark type, text or logo. For this demo, let's start with text watermarking. Simply select the text option and head to the Text tab to customize your watermark. In the Text tab, enter your watermark text, choose from 5 professional fonts, and adjust the size from 10 to 100 points. Pick any color using the color picker, set your desired opacity level, and position your watermark exactly where you want it. Center, corners, or custom placement with adjustable margins. Need a logo instead? Switch to logo mode, upload your PNG or JPG logo, and watch the live preview. Scale it from 5 to 100% of your image size, adjust opacity for that perfect subtle look, and position it anywhere on your images. Now hit start and watch the magic happen. The real-time progress bar shows exactly which file is being processed. Need to pause? No problem. Click pause and resume whenever you're ready. Want to stop? Just click stop and start fresh with different settings. That's Bulk Watermark. Fast, flexible, and incredibly easy to use.